Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the funny things that happened with the Microsoft goof up of playing around with the article where they're talking about how to go to a local account from a Microsoft account is that not just that, they actually were mentioning how positive it could be to have a local account. And of course, one of the positive things was that it isolates your Windows a little more, meaning that, it might be better off. And of course, it's interesting to see that Dave themselves have mentioned that when you, want to push everybody towards a Microsoft account saying that it's better. But in reality, they did kind of hint at a local account being better. So this is, I guess, things that they just didn't want to really say out loud, and they just put it back. I think because of backlash, there's constant array of users checking everything that Microsoft writes, does, posts, and if something, is not satisfying, well, I can tell you that there's a good chance that somebody, or there's going to be a lot of people complaining. And I'm pretty sure that the fact that they decided to put back that information on the web page is because of the backlash. There's a lot of users that said, why are you removing that? What you're saying is true and should be on the page, that we could have a local account. It does make a PC more secure, definitely. And yeah, it relieves us from having to rely on online services that now you don't connect because you don't have a Microsoft account. So, I guess Microsoft got caught trying to remove some specific information they didn't want to be out there. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.